Motivators, all right, another quick video for you. I just had somebody ask me about lower back pain. She says, you know, I've been okay for the past 2 weeks, but then now this week I got pain a little bit on one side. What can I do to help relieve that pain? A lot of times we get injured, back gets tight, making sure, first thing, there's 4 things. The first thing is real simple. Just when I demonstrate the exercises in class, make sure you pay close attention so you have good form. Having bad form can be bad, and it can lead to injury and so forth. And make sure your stomach's tight. Make sure your abs are tight whenever you do the exercises. Keep the stomach tucked in, keep the abs tight. That'll help support that lower back. If you keep it relaxed, the back's the only thing that's working, and you can lead to lower back tightness. All right? Now, I just also asked Dr. Dave. Dr. Dave is a sports therapist chiropractor who works out of our Motivate indoor location. If you haven't seen him yet or talked to him, and if you have pain, you should definitely come see him. It only costs about $47 to come see him for the first visit, right? And I just asked him, what is 3 things that we can do to make sure to strengthen the back and stretch it out and prevent lower back pain and also help it get better? First thing is an exercise that you should do maybe 3 or 4 times a day, before, after, and it's called the initiator. It's supposed to help balance out the hips and elongate the spine. That exercise looks like this. Okay, so you're gonna be here, have wide feet, toes facing forward. You're gonna stick those glutes out far enough, knees bend a little bit, but far enough until you feel a stretch back here in the hamstrings. Okay, and then from here, you're gonna go straight arms with your palms up. You're gonna use your elbows by your ears, and you're just gonna reach those arms forward. Arms go one way, your hips and butt go the other way. And it should feel like you're pulling on that spine, elongating the spine, balancing out those hips. You wanna hold this for about 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, so quite a while. Next up, you know, you're at home, you're watching TV, right? You got this whole living room space. Hold plank, right? It's an exercise that you can do where there's no movement. Sometimes doing too much movement is what causes injury, right? Plank is something you can just hold, you know, strengthen your core. You know, make sure that your back, that your hips, that your butt, that your abs are all getting strengthened. Hold it for 30 seconds. Remember, plank is just, you're just here, just like this, okay? On your forearms, you're just gonna hold it there for about 30 seconds to a minute. And you know, if you can go up to 2 minutes, awesome. If you get up to 3 minutes, even better. That'll help improve that core strength and something that you can do at home. Okay, last thing, lacrosse ball. This ball right here will help out a ton. Do this maybe 2 or 3 times, especially if you have lower back pain. You're gonna take this ball and you wanna put it, let's say you have pain on one side. Put it, okay, you got your spine in the middle, right? And put it kind of above the hip bone in the meaty area here. All right, you're gonna lay down on your back. Lay down here, lay on it, find the most painful spot. Yeah, hang out here for about 30 seconds, just like that. And then from there, after about 30 seconds, you're gonna bring that leg in, and then extend it out. Bring that leg in, and extend it out. You can do that about 10 times. Okay, make sure you do both sides just to balance it out, even if the other side doesn't hurt. Okay, but do that exercise just to help loosen it up, just in case you have knots or something in the back, and it'll also help push inflammation out and so forth, right? So those are 3 things you can do that will help strengthen, help stretch, and help eliminate pain. Also too, if your back started hurting from the lap you did around through running or anything like that, then we need to talk about your running form as well. That's another video. Come talk to me in set. We can work on running form then too. Anyways, have a great day. Be motivated. I'm coaching Saturday. Come see me on Saturday, 9 a.m. Talk to you soon. Bye.